Well, welcome back to the Norfolk Cottage garden, and we're going to show you the hollyhock seeds that we've got forming on these plants now in the end of first week in August. And further down this plant we've got these beautiful rosettes of perfectly dry and ripe hollyhock seeds forming. And when these seeds are mature and dry, the green husk around them shrivels to a brown, opens up and reveals these little rosettes of hard, dry, mature hollyhock seed, and you get these where every flower's been all the way up this spike now. As we go further up, you'll see the less mature seeds as it starts to open, and then we're into the green unripe seeds. So at this stage the seed is perfectly dry, mature and ripe, and is ready to be collected and sown directly or stored for seeding areas later in the season or in different gardens. So that's what you're looking for when you're looking to collect your hollyhock seed. And just one final tip when you are collecting this seed: obviously these plants are going to seed not necessarily true, but they're likely to be in the colour range of the flowers on each plant. And the beauty about these hollyhocks is that at the tips of most of these plants you've still got the flowers, so you are absolutely easily reminded of what colour seeds you're collecting. So at the time you're collecting these, unless you're looking to mix a load together for a mixed packet of different coloured seeds, then I'd suggest you pick these while you've still got the flowers to remind you what colour the seedlings are likely to be from them, and just label them up at the time you collect them. And here's just a reminder of what you're going to get the following season. Now, hollyhock seeds are tough cased seeds, and you will find that they will not germinate straight away, or rarely will they. They will usually need to be placed in the soil and frosted over the winter to help break down the case, and then you'll get these seedlings developing the following spring and summer. And this is shot at the same time as those seeds you'll see on the mature plants that have flowered this year in this bed of gravel, where seeds have naturally formed and spread out onto the ground. We've got these young plants coming along which haven't been hoed out, and these will form our fresh plants for next season, which should form mature plants and give us those secondary spikes of colour as we've enjoyed earlier in this year.